people. It's Christmas Day. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, everyone, man. I hope you're having a good day. You thought I was going to stand there on my own and cook a chicken, didn't ya? No, that's not what I'm going to do. It's Cook and Vibe, it's Christmas Day, and I've got a special guest in the kitchen. I've got the boss, I've got the CEO in the building. Chef Ricardo is in the place, people. Yes, my brother. Yo, it's a blessing.
Yeah, definitely 100%.
Yo, it's the man himself, Chef Ricardo.
I know. They think you was gonna cook your chicken by yourself.
They thought they didn't know what was gonna happen.
Wow,
but I wanted to give them something special.
Yeah.
And what more special to have on Christmas Day than Chef Ricardo himself? You know what I'm saying?
No, you're the boss, man. You're the boss.
This is a Christmas present for me, people.
Yeah, for real, man.
And
this
now,
is amazing.
It's a Christmas present for you.
Yeah. So I'm gonna say something.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And I'm gonna say something. I'm really happy to be in the boss kitchen also. So big up on yourself.
Yeah.
Cook and vibes.
We're here.
Stay tuned.
Yeah. So you don't know, people. We're just gonna be a craziness today. We're not really gonna just go into detail on how to cook things. It is more of a vibe. This is a Christmas Day episode. Do you know what I mean? So we've got Woooooooii things going on. So if you have a look down there, we've got some fish going on. But that Chef Ricardo, I gotta deal with that on his channel. So now I gotta see that one there. You have to go on Chef Ricardo's channel for that one there. Yeah, but we got a chicken. We got all the good stuff. You know what I'm saying? So we've got some Jamaican ginger there. We've got Scotch bonnet, thyme, we got plantain, we got Jamaican sweet potato, Brussels sprouts. You know what I'm saying? It's Christmas time. You know, so everything that we've got some June plums in there. We're not even gonna use them, but they're just there. Everything is there. So yes, people, like I said, Merry Christmas. I told you I wasn't gonna give you something special today. So we're just gonna get into it. We're just gonna give you the vibes today. Yeah, man, we're gonna just do like a whole roast dinner. And we got some fish as well and some plantain and, you know? Yeah, man, that's right, guys. Cook and Vibe, it's Christmas Day, man. I hope you got a smile on your face now. Oiiiiii. Yes, people. All right, so you done not say a Christmas Day, so, you know, so we have a roast dinner. So the chicken, so Chef Ricardo giving me a little style, see it? Because he's the boss, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, a little style. So what we're going to do is we're going to give it a little season up and thing, right? Little paprika. And then we're sitting there. So as I'm putting my seasoning on, remember to wash your chicken, people. Wash your meat. Make sure you wash it with vinegar or lemon. Do you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, a little seasoning just on that side there. And
one of the first, my brother. So what kind of season that you just use? Some all-purpose?
So this is an all-purpose seasoning. It's a very authentic Jamaican seasoning. I like to use this one just because it's got so much flavour in a one seasoning. Do you know what I mean? So I really do like the easy spice there.
Yeah, nice one. So you got some lemon?
So some lemon. What I'm going to do is I'm going to stuff it with some lemon.
All right.
So as you can see, I've given it a cut already and I'm just going to give it one more cut and put it into segments, Chef.
Yeah, nice one.
You know? Chef Ricardo, big up yourself, man. We're in the kitchen, cook and vibe. Yeah. Season up. The one that needs season up, innit? Season up, is it? Yeah. Yeah, so.
Yep, that's the right place. I'm gonna just chuck some thyme in it. Wow.
Bit more seasoning in there, Chef, you know? Oiiiiii. You know? Full it up with flavour. Yeah. So, and then turn it over, give it another bit more seasoning on that side. Yeah, we're making sure we got enough flavour. Our roast chicken sometimes it can go too dry, and that's the thing with the lemon, Chef. The lemon juices up the meat, you know, especially on the breast and things, because you know sometimes that can get dry. So, yeah. Yeah, man, it's supposed to. Good. Oiiiiii, it's Christmas, man. Do me a favor and just subscribe, please, and just that's your Christmas present to me. Thank you very much. Yeah, so we're not going to cut the Scotch bonnet because I don't want it to give it too much spice. I don't want it to overtake everything. Okay, you know, so sometimes when the Scotch bonnet busts, Chef, everything is different. You know what I'm saying? So we're just going to place him inside. Yeah. Just going to place him inside there, as you can see, you know, and then too scallion. Just break them up like that. And there we go. Chicken seasoned. It's ready to go in the oven. Yeah, probably about hour and 20 minutes, hour and a half. And that's good. All right, so what I'm gonna do now, people, is I'm gonna make some sorrel jam. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna make, some sorrel jam. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some of the flowers, I'm gonna cut them up very, very fine. Right, I'm gonna take some of the sorrel juice, I'm gonna put that in this little saucepan here. Right, I'm gonna add some sugar, boil it up, right? And then I'm gonna add some gelatin into it. And then we're gonna have some hopefully have some sorrel jam. Big up FDX for the recipe. You know what I'm saying? Sorrel, oiiiiii. Yes, people, so this is the thing where I'm trying to do before Chef Ricardo reaches. You know what I'm saying? So inside here, I've got some sorrel juice. I've got some of the flowers cut really finely. I have some sugar in there. You get me? So I'm just gonna boil it up. You get me? Get to a consistency. And then I'm gonna add the gelatin in there, thicken it up. And then hopefully, like I say, we've got sorrel jam. So it's starting to get a bit of a consistency now, as you can see. Yeah, it's getting there. You know what I'm saying? Sorrel jam. Sorrel sauce. Whatever you want to call it. And there, my friends, we have sorrel jam or sauce. You know what I'm saying? Big up FDX, man, for the recipe again. Yeah, it's a good one. Christmas time, you don't know sorrel or God. Oiiiiii! Yeah, people, so you don't know the chicken's done roasting. So we're gonna do with our roast Jamaican sweet potato. Yeah, very expensive, but worth it. You know? Because we go for that style, you don't know Chef Ricardo's in the place, so we have to make it special. So yeah, I'm just gonna remove the skin and then chop them up into like, you know, like sort of like roast potato size. Just so like it's quicker to roast. Do you know what I mean? Like I could just put it in, just roast it, you know, but yeah, there's plenty of different ways you can do this. You can just put that straight in some coal and roast it. But today we're gonna remove the skin, chop it up into little kind of roast potato size and put that in with the chicken. Do you know what I'm saying? And like I say, we ain't really gonna go too detailed with the roasting now because, you know, stuff like broccoli, you know, Brussels sprouts, no one likes them, but it's Christmas. So we're just gonna settle them things there up after we do the potatoes. And yeah, we're just busy in the kitchen, you know what I'm saying? Chef Ricardo is cooking some fish. Yeah, man, good vibes, man. So I just remove the skin from the sweet potato now. Yes, people, Chef Ricardo is in the building, man. It's Christmas. Oiiiiii. So right, we're gonna put a little piece of garlic, spend a little bit of time just around the potatoes, you know. So we've got some nice Jamaica Valley black pepper on there, and obviously the chicken juice from I remember we said we got lemon inside the chicken.
Yeah,
so it's gonna, as the juices start coming out, it's gonna start going into these potatoes as well and kind of giving them a little oil and a little flavor as the chicken, you know, it's gonna give it a little tinge of lemon to these Jamaican sweet potatoes as well. So yeah, man, we're gonna put these in the oven now and everything's ready. We're not gonna bore you with the vegetables, you know what I'm saying? Chef Ricardo is doing his thing with the fish. Oiiiiii, it's a mad thing. Happy Christmas, people. I love you lot, man. You lot are the reason we do this. Love.
Get Miguel's jerkyard marinade. It make your chicken taste like a god cookie. It hot?
People, click the link in the description to get yours and to purchase yours. Oiiiiii.
And see, I got the hot, very, very hot and ready. So what we're gonna do now is this is a fish, which I'm gonna be frying. We got some stuff inside of the stomach of the fish. So basically, as you can see, we start decorating with the fish. If you got some lemon, you can zest some lemon juice on it. But we just keep it simple. It's Christmas. A lot of people have a lot of things I do. You know what I mean? So as I said, I saw it going in at the kitchen. If you just do another thing like this. So
where's the little sorrel flower, chef?
Yeah, man. It's
you know that's why you know I've never seen fresh sorrel before.
Is it?
Yeah. So this, look here, people. So this is the fresh sorrel. Look at that. Yeah, you see the steam? You see the steam, people? Wooooooi. There we go, look, we've got our roast chicken. Our Jamaican roast sweet potatoes. Chef Ricardo's in the building!
Mad settings.
Wooooooi.
Yeah, man, mad settings.
The fish is done over there, so we just have fry up some plantain now, wait for the vegetables to be done, and we are good to go! Wooooooi, Merry Christmas. Everything I've gone good, you know what I'm saying? And Chef Ricardo
Mad settings.
is in the kitchen. Merry Christmas, people! Merry Christmas!
It's a
vibes, it's a vibes. This a go on. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, Chef is teaching me loads of things, people. He's teaching me some, ways to film and different things with the camera and different recipes, because you are the boss and a brother. Yeah. So we are learned right now. We are learned.
Alright, one of things there for
yeah.
We got our mango tree right.
And say, for Cook and Vibe, you are their Christmas present. Yeah! You're their Christmas present, right? So
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to the Cook and Vibe.
Love.
Yeah, man.
Love.
Yeah, man. A mad setting.
Wooooooi, people. Yeah, everything is set up. You see the vegetables, them there, the chicken, the Jamaican sweet potatoes, Chef Ricardo's fish, we've got plantain, gravy, we've got a little glass of sorrel each, because you don't know, say at Christmas time, and we've got sorrel jam. That's right, we've got sorrel jam, so everything is just nice and ready up. Yeah?
Yes.
It's the end of the episode.
Definitely.
It is Christmas Day.
Yes.
It's the people are supposed to be chilling right now.
Yes.
And just relaxing.
Yes.
If at EastEnders, then at EastEnders. If not, then if it's rum, it's rum.
Yeah.
But whatever you want.
We're at the right place.
Yeah.
Cook and Vibes.
Cook and Vibes.
But look how we're going to write us up.
Yeah, we've got everything here.
Everything's
you get me?
beautiful.
We've got the roast chicken, roast potatoes,
Yes.
vegetables, plantain, fish, sorrel jam. We've got sorrel. We've got. There's not much more you want.
The first of being, I never see this, man.
Yeah.
Many years, man.
Yeah.
Fresh. Sorrel.
Fresh.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Just for guys. Anyway, we want to say Merry Christmas.
Yes, Merry Christmas, man.
And a Happy New Year.
Definitely.
And thank you so much, guys, for tuning in with Chef Ricardo and Cook and Vibes.
You know what I'm saying?
So now, man, check out his YouTube channel.
Please.
Subscribe to his YouTube channel and support him.
I was gonna say go check out Chef Ricardo's channel, but he's got loads of followers. But if you don't follow him, then make sure you do. Yeah. Do you know what I'm saying? It's a blessing to have you in the kitchen today. I've learned a lot of things.
No worries, man.
Yeah, so
we got a lot more. We got a lot more.
Yeah, this is just the start, and it's a one community, a one team we're dealing with.
Definitely.
Christmas is a time to spend with your loved ones, family, so everybody's just, that don't see each other all the time. So it was really nice to have Chef Ricardo here for Christmas Day. Absolutely amazing. I hope you guys loved it.
Enjoy it. It's beautiful. Roast chicken.
Wooooooi.
Fish. Plantain. Hit the man. Kitchen. All right. Look after yourself, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
But the big up section, you don't know, people. Leave a comment for your chance to get your big up. Wooooooi. Wooooooi, people. It's the big up section. It's Christmas Day. And I mean, it's a bit emotional because you know what? It's the end of the season. Yeah, it's the last episode. Do you know what I mean? So I just really, really want to say a Merry, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to every single person watching. Do you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, thank you for the support all throughout the year. I really appreciate it. Do you know what I'm saying? I hope everybody's having a good time. These times here, a family time, and you sit back and you got time to think and relax and just enjoy life. And it's a good time of year. Enough people going to see people that they ain't seen for a long time, and it's a blessing. And you lot have gave me a blessing all year. So more I give you this episode, a mad thing. It was a Christmas present to link up with Chef Ricardo. The boss, I've learned a lot from him. So I'm not gonna big up anyone individual this week. I'm just gonna big up everybody. Like literally big up everybody that supports the team. You get me? Big up Ringo Vision. Been a big part of Cook and Vibe this season. Big up Cooking with Bling. You know what I'm saying? Big up Chef Ricardo. Big up Ras Kitchen. Big up Sunrise TV. Big up Jamaica Food Boss. Big up the whole team. You get me? Yeah, food I deal with, you know? So yeah man, I hope you just eating all your munchies or whatever for Christmas Day. We're spoiling ourselves, that's true. So yeah man, people, I will see you, boy, not next week, unfortunately. Yeah, I will see you in about 4 or 5 weeks, you know? And then be back for season 6. Have a good Christmas, man.